embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Welcome to my closet. She is my pride and joy. I love her endlessly. But like, do you see this? Are we looking at the same thing? She looks disastrous. I'm doing my spring clean, deep clean series last week and this week, and that's it because that's all of the cleaning I have in me. But today we are cleaning and organizing my closet. Well, when I look at it, I feel sick to my stomach. She deserves better. I'm going to give you a little tour so then we can see to what extent she needs it. I know, but I want you to know. Okay, so, oh my God. Who put that there? Okay, so this is from my bathroom. You go to my closet and here she is. She's beautiful. These are all my clothes. These are my boyfriend's. These are mostly my clothes. My clothes, my clothes, my clothes, my shoes, my purses. And here is storage and you can kind of clearly see how much of a mess it is. I love my house. It is by far the nicest house I've ever lived in my entire life. I got very lucky. But girl, people don't understand how much our house is falling apart. This door fell off yesterday. These are my boyfriend's cards, but like, look at all of the shavings. So anyways, these look like this. So scared of that door now. It completely fell off. From up here, bam. Crazy. So this is just storage area. I did recently digitize my closet. It's like an app and whatever. All of these drawers are very organized because I had to put it back nicely after I took a picture of every single thing I own. So thankfully we don't have to deal with the drawers. But there's like, it's just unorganized. It's messy. It just feels like it's like bursting at the seams. I feel like a good place to start is by taking out the donation bags. This has been sitting here for well over maybe 4 months. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Look at all of this space. Look at this. Who is she? Back here, you can't see anything. More donation stuff back here. Wow, I can see this part of the floor. It's so dark, guys. I'm so sorry. If you watched my last cleaning video, you would know this. But if you haven't, that's okay. I'll tell everyone anyway. The way I like to reorganize and clean my spaces, when I deep clean, like get in there, I like to do a top-down approach. It just makes more sense. So anyways, that's, yes, top-down approach. Except I just realized I have tons of dirty clothes on the floor, so let's do that first. I swear I like just did laundry. I don't know, it's just constant. Okay, she's dusty. My pills, these are nausea pills because I get migraines. Yeah, whatever. I always sneeze when I clean. Always. I had so many purses up here. It is overwhelming. So I think we'll move up here and clean and organize these out. And maybe like this first shelf, I can have some of my smaller purses or some of the purses that I don't feel like displaying. They don't all need to be shown. I'm stalling because I'm really scared that these doors are gonna effing fall off and hit me and I'm gonna shatter it. Ugh, having nightmares about that currently. I organized this like maybe 2 years ago and it stayed pretty much organized the way I organized it then, but I have different needs now. I'm a young 26 now, so I know what I want. Okay. She looks kind of amazing. This little section here, I just started throwing stuff there. I keep my little wallets here. And then I keep my grocery bags, my reusable bags, tote bags, all of that here. Oh, and my packing cubes. So from my pile of bags over here that were on this shelf, I think up here I want to put this bag. I love this one, but it's like perfect for up there. This is overwhelming me to look at this. This is honestly good. And up we go. My Disney ears, my hats, travel pillow, belt, scarf, Tokyo Disney Sea. Honestly, all of this is gonna stay up here. It's pretty much organized. I didn't organize anything, but that's okay. Up here, this is my duffel bag and then my frozen grocery holder from Trader Joe's. And that's it up here. Oh my God. I didn't really change anything. I didn't make any room for anything. That's fine. I call this my side. This one over here, I call my boyfriend's side. So we're gonna make room on his side for some like random shit that I don't want to see. We're gonna hope and pray that this door does not fall off again. When they screwed these doors into like this, they didn't line the holes up. Whatever, like nothing is right in this house. I love her, so grateful for her. But like, I'm telling you, this house is so messed up and I love her for it. But the rent is so effing high and we're not getting into that. Okay, I think I want the very top shelf to be like computer stuff, I guess. All of my quarters! I've been looking for these so I can have parking on the streets of Los Angeles. Quarters are a hot commodity, okay? Only thing up here is my backpack. He puts his backpack next to mine though, so we'll leave that empty. So sorry, this is like the most awkward like angle ever. That's okay. All of these are like his hats. Oh, my cowboy hat is here though. We'll leave that here since it's nice and cozy. Oh, his computer stuff is up here. Perfect. My last video, I cleaned under my bed. All of this was under my bed. Ugh. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, she's finished. She's looking great. Perfect. I forgot to clean the blinds. So before we put all these back, because I don't want to get dust all over it, we'll clean the blinds. Yeah, easy. Easy peasy. Maybe I don't want this out. I don't know. I don't know. This is not great, but it's better, I think. So now I need to put this bag, this hat, and then this bag up here somewhere. Right, okay. Perfect. These two bucket hats can go here. These two bags at the very top, I guess. Okay, feeling better, feeling less cluttered. This is good. Now we're moving on to this shelf, this shelf. I don't like to hang anything above this shelf because I feel like it opens up the closet a little bit. When it's stuffed, it feels it, okay? I like to use this as like a centerpiece. I don't know. A shelf, a shelf, a shelf. Of course, of course. I'm covered in dust. It's happening. This is my boyfriend's little corner. He loves it. He loves it, I promise. Just gonna put it now back here. Oh my God, are you effing with me? This Christmas I was looking for these. I was like, I know they're somewhere. Answered my own question. Awesome. I have all these like magazines and books over here because I have dreams of making collages. Like I love magazine collage artwork. And then I have two books over here. Wow, okay, that's a lot. Okay, while we're here, we're reorganizing this because this is so perfect, so puffy, so cute, but it gets in the way a little bit. Oh my God, the hangers over here fighting me. Ooh, I don't know if this is better or worse. I did not know there were this many magazines back here. This will go in my sticker drawer. And sorry, unfortunately, these are going right back to where they came from. My boyfriend's stuff. I'm trying to collect things that don't go here so then they can go where they actually belong. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. This is what I'm looking at. I'm stepping around this. Like, there's a pile of quarters, all of this. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. These are touching me. This is touching me. Okay, I put away everything that did not belong over here. I love my 2 books. My best friend gave me this. This was my favorite book in high school, so I decided to buy it. That's cute. Okay, she's better, probably. For now, I'm keeping my quarters here. Okay, that way I won't forget it. Perfect. Now we have made it to this part of the closet. Ideally, I would put this suitcase under my bed. I think in here there are costumes of Halloween's past. It would be fine under the bed. I hope it fits under there. And behind all of my clothes hanging up, there's another suitcase. I'm ready to flee at any moment, I guess. Oh, it fits so much better. Like, the dresses were so stuffed in here. Maybe I'll put my boyfriend's sleeping bag here. It's kind of ugly, but at least it's a little hidden. We'll figure that out. Let's put these under the bed. Okay, I promise I did just clean in here. Oh. In my closet, I do have like an art shelf, and under my bed, I have an art box. So I was thinking that maybe I could combine the two, I guess. Okay. It's happening. Okay. Before we do all that, I have to get the trash off the floor. Okay, so this is my art shelf, but I definitely think that if I can like fit it in here, it'll all be so nice. Okay, this is looking better. Oh shit. Wow, who would have thought it could look this nice? If only I tried. I'm just gonna dust around all of this because I'm too lazy. I'm going to attempt my boyfriend's shelf. Well, that was kind of easy. Okay. I like the fact that this is out of the way of my dresses, but I think I'll turn it so... Okay, because I don't want to see it. Backpack will stay here. This, I feel like, is kind of cutie on this shelf. Let me at least dust it. Okay, I think this is looking better. Perfect. Okay, now that I just pushed all of the dust from this little shelf, I'm gonna sit here. Here are my shoes. I have this pair of black boots that are so annoying because they like don't fit, but I think I just need to reorganize it in order to make it fit, and then it won't be just sticking out, and my rain boots can just be cute here because I love them and they're pink. Okay, it's not gorgeous, it's not beautiful by any means, but at least this fits. Believe it or not, she is done. To get to my closet, you go through the bathroom. She's looking good. We're going to tackle her next. This video shamed me into starting my laundry, so right when this is done, I'm going to do that. Because the clothes are everywhere. They're everywhere. So anyways, the closet. My clothes are already color coordinated, or else I would, but see, mine go from white to black, and then his go from black to white. She no longer looks like she's going to explode at the seams. Not as bad, I'll take it. So this is all I have for you guys today. Tomorrow my bathroom cleaning and reorganization will be uploaded, so make sure you check that out. And I also did my bedroom deep clean last week, and like I said, I digitized my closet. Lots of videos out there for you little freaks who like the cleaning content. I do too, okay? I really do. So I will see you next time for more cleaning content, and after that we're taking a break from cleaning because this is enough. I can only do so much cleaning, so I'll see you then for that. Bye.